Now it's recording. Okay, so now I should be recording with, yes, the GoPro as well as with the Sena headset 10C Evo something. Let's see how those compare. I have the GoPro setup currently for it will be interesting to see what the audio difference does, because it might be that the Sena is set up better. Still, we'll see what happens. Also, I don't know yet if the position of the GoPro is any good, for instance. Yeah, lots of things to figure out still. But yeah, let's take this dirt road also. Know that we are on it anyway. And I need to clean my chain anyway. Okay, let's go. So the thing with the Sena 10C is that it's so easy. You just install it like you install any other communication set on your helmet. And then yeah, you just press the right button combination and you can go record stuff. It has this clever thing where you can for leveling out the image. It has quite good stabilization and so on, but it also has this clever trick, because if you mount it on your helmet, it can be a bit yeah, not perfectly level, but you can, apart from the unit itself, you can also change the lens or the sensor position, so you can level it out no matter how it's mounted on your helmet. Very clever. Yeah, and it just works. And the GoPro, yeah, we'll have to see what it does. I've already found some annoying things, like one of the reasons for me to go for GoPro, besides that it has the best stabilization and image on the market anyway, was the replaceable battery. And if you use a GoPro just as is, so without case or anything, and they are waterproof without case, so that's fine. If you use them like that, you can simply swap out batteries, that's okay. But I also need an input for the audio for the mic within my helmet, so no way. Of course someone else is crossing now, but yeah, okay. The thing is, people are kind enough over here to stop and let people pass where needed, so he has a trailer though. Yeah, I might be out of luck. I'm out of luck. No, I'll turn around, ça va? Okay, so steering angle is very limited on these, as it is on most bikes. Yeah, but that was it for the off-road use of today. Let's go back to the main road. Anyway, I was talking about the GoPro. Yeah, the thing is, I need the audio mod, which is a case that includes like well, it has an audio, it has a mic built in, but it also includes an audio input, and that's how I get the helmet microphone audio in my GoPro. However, as soon as you put that one on, you can no longer easily swap batteries, it seems. I now have to... I might be doing something wrong still, but it looks like I have to take it out of the... well, I need to loosen the screw that it used to be mounted. I need to flip in the two eyelets. Wait, let me rephrase that. So the problem is that if I want to replace the battery now with the case on, I need to remove the case. And in order to remove the case, I need to detach it from its accessories. Also, I removed the, for now I have the chin guard removed. I hope that's not adding too much audio static noise, but I can put it back in if needed, so that's not a big deal.